I travel the world by selling bracelets. Would you like to support me? I would like to support you. So you're selling jewelry to go to Japan and South Korea. That's amazing. Where are you from?
I'm from Turkey.
And what do you think about Serbia?
I love Serbia. I love Belgrade. This is my only income for my travels.
Now, how much is this jewelry?
800.
800. I'm going to give you everything that I have in my pocket. So this is,
everything.
no, everything. 2,000, 4,000,
Oh my god.
6,000,
Oh my god.
7,000, 8,000,
Oh my god.
9,000, 10,000,
No.
11,000,
You're kidding me.
12,000. 1 Nikola Tesla, 2 Nikola Tesla, 3 Nikola Tesla, 4 Nikola Tesla, 5 Nikola Tesla, 6 Nikola Tesla, 7 Nikola Tesla, 10 Nikola Tesla, 11 Nikola Tesla, 20 Nikola Tesla.
You're not giving me everything.
That's all for you. This is the Support Your Travels. I wish you all the best. I support your dream. Never stop doing what you're doing. I wish you success.